Hi guys, hello everyone. My name is Inga Yun. I'm artist, freelance illustrator and teacher. During my short tutorials, you can learn more about Procreate, its features, how to paint in authentic watercolor style in Procreate, and no one will tell you that it's actually digital painting.
Well guys, I think we're ready to start, and today we're gonna paint lovely illustration portrait actually in watercolor style in Procreate. And guys, for today's class I created lots of new brushes that you might, if you need, you might get them at my Skillshare class. I will leave the link in the description and you might go and check it. So, but once again, you don't need to actually have those brush set. You might just use a drawing brush from the ink set in Procreate. So as you see, the brush sets that I created recently, it's all about portraits. I have different kinds of faces, shape. And also I have different kinds of hairstyles, boys' hairstyles, girls' hairstyles, and along with eyes and so on, different kinds of eyes. Maybe a little bit bigger. And guys, my suggestion to paint everything on new layers, it will be just easier. Okay, this hairstyle is pretty simple, but I like how it looks all together with this face shape, with the shape of this face. So, and I will think what kind of eyes I want to add. Probably this one. It's actually very suitable. And we'll create one more layer, and I'm gonna go and grab, let me think what kind of nose might be suitable for this part. Okay, I do like it. I'll create one more layer. Now we need to think about lips. What kind of lips might be very cool? It might suit here most. Like this. And now our portrait is almost ready. The last thing is I want to paint. And that's it. I will go and grab opal brush, and I have a special color palette for this. And I want to erase this part because this is eyes. Okay, cool. After that, next step is I want to paint her hair, and there might be, let me think, maybe pink. Some colors to her eyebrows, and they should be darker. And now the most interesting part, we need to add some kind of shades. And before we do that, I want to add some background. I'm gonna go for regular watercolor brush, grab this purple color, increase the size. Okay, great. Now I want to add some kind of shades, and in this way I will create one more layer on the top of her skin, and I will press clip and mask. Now it means I can paint just an our area with her face. And I'm gonna go and add some blush. On the top and press clip and mask. Same brush, and I'm gonna go and grab a little bit darker color. And of course here on the neck. the shade from the face. And guys, my suggestion, if you like, you might lower the opacity and make it not that bright, or keep it like that. I will keep it like that because I want to have it pretty bright and vibrant. So like this. And let's move to hair. Create one more layer, press clip and mask. Grab slightly darker color, maybe even more, like this. Now we need to show some tiny bit of highlights in this area. Blend some parts. And that's almost it. I will merge together all those layers. And I think I want to add some color variations to the background layer. Feather 26%, hue saturation, brightness, increase the brightness, lower the saturation. Yeah, I made it a little bit more vibrant. I'll create on the top layer one more layer, press clip and mask. Oh, I forgot about flicks. Yep, I want to add some freckles. I think she might be very cool. Looks very cool with freckles. And that's it, guys. We've done with our paint and now we created character, and I hope you liked my today's tutorial. And if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!